Do you ever feel like your relationship is stuck in a loop that you can't escape? Almost Groundhog Day. One moment everything explodes, voices raised, emotions so big they feel unbearable. Then silence. Not peace, silence. The kind that makes your chest tighten, where you're sitting next to someone who feels miles away. To mend the fence, to fix, to reestablish connection, you apologize. They don't. You shut down, or they pursue. Every round of the cycle leaves you more tired, more confused, more disconnected from yourself, your husband. Here's the thing no one tells you. This is not a communication problem. It's a nervous system problem. Your relationship isn't failing. Your bodies are stuck in survival mode. In this video, I want to show you why that's happening, what it means to you. More importantly, I want you to see that you do not have to navigate this alone. I want you to see that this is fixable. Every couple that's caught in painful cycles thinks the issue is the argument itself. What's happening underneath is far more primal. Your nervous system scans for danger long before your mind clues in. When something feels off, a tone, a look, a shift in energy, your body immediately reacts. Fighting feels like urgency. Withdrawing feels like protection. Freezing feels like collapse. None of this is conscious. None of this is intentional. This is biology trying to keep you alive. It's survival responses. When two nervous systems start firing off of each other, you're triggering their fear, their shutdown, triggering your panic. You end up recreating the same emotional storm again and again. It's not because your guys are incompatible, it's because you're dysregulated. This is the part no one teaches. You can't fix a relationship at the level of communication when the problem is happening at the level of your physiology. And this is where most people get stuck. This is where, if the couple does go to couples therapy, it was a complete waste of time because it's entirely missing the problem. If this is resonating, if you can feel your shoulders drop because somebody's making sense, I invite you to join our free Detox Your Marriage School community. This is where women in very, very difficult marriages are getting resourced, getting empowered to not continue to survive, to change the game. Speaking of changing the game, if you're really ready now to find out how to change the game in your marriage, book a 15-minute quick start call with us. That call is not therapy. It's not a sales pitch. There's nothing available for sale there. It's a moment where someone finally listens and reflects your reality back to you, maps out a path ahead to change it. When your nervous system is dysregulated, your entire perception of your partner shifts. A sigh starts to sound rejection. Silence feels abandonment. A raised voice signals danger. A back turned feels punishment. This isn't you being too sensitive. This is your survival brain doing what it was designed to do. Dr. Stephen Porges' polyvagal theory explains that we only have access to connection, empathy, problem solving when our nervous system feels safe. When it doesn't, then your body pulls into fight, flight, freeze, or shutdown before you even realize what's happening. You're both activated. You're not arguing about the topic, the dishes anymore. You're arguing about safety. It's two people that are feeling unsafe. Looking at the other person, they're the enemy. Nothing good is going to come from that. That's why you can't think your way out of these moments. That's why saying calm down never works. That's why the same fight keeps replaying even when the topic changes. It's not that your relationship that's stuck. It's the physiology of both people inside it. Until you understand that, everything else feels failure. Nothing is going to help to fix it. Here's the part that surprises people. We don't fix this by fixing the relationship. We don't fix this by becoming a better communicator. You don't fix this by convincing him to change. You fix this by regulating your nervous system. Because when you regulate, your reactions soften, your intuition sharpens, your boundaries clarify, your emotional balance returns. You stop taking the bait that's put out there. You stop being hijacked by your old survival patterns. You become a steady, grounded force inside your own life. This is the shift that changes everything. Not because he's different, because you are coming from a different internal state. When your system is calm, regulated, then you're no longer participating in that crazy cycle. Everything's got to change. From that place, you begin rebuilding yourself, whether the relationship changes or not. Our experience shows us that in most cases, the relationship changes. You deserve to feel safe. You deserve a relationship where your nervous system isn't bracing for impact all the time. You deserve to understand what's happening inside you, not to blame yourself for it. If this conversation opens something up for you, if you feel seen in a way, understood in a way that you haven't felt seen or understood in a long time, your next step is super simple. Join our Detox the Marriage School community. It's free, it's a safe, private, moderated space where you will get expert guidance, be in a community of like-minded and like-hearted women or wanting to find a way in their marriage. If you're ready to take a step to change, schedule a 15-minute quick start call. This call is not going to fix your relationship in 15 minutes. It's not going to fix him in 15 minutes. It's going to give you a map. It's going to give you clarity and direction on how change can take place. The links for both of those things are down below. We'd love to walk with you for the next part of the journey to create change.